Hey everybody, and welcome back. Happy Father's Day. This is an actual Father's Day video. I'm making for you today chicken cacciatore. Chicken cacciatore, oh my. I got the chicken frying. Chicken thighs with bones in it. I'm gonna cut them up. I'm gonna make a whole sauce for you. Whatever you do, don't go anywhere. And please subscribe. Subscribe. I'm gonna make for you something so incredible. I got San Marzano tomatoes, basil, peppers, onions, garlic, chicken, all sorts of good things. Olives, capers. Stick around. I'm gonna be right back. Hey folks, welcome back. Cooking with Stevearino. Happy Father's Day. Again. What I have here is some chicken. Some chicken thighs. Bone in. For this dish, chicken cacciatore. You want bone in. We're going to take these out. I've had them on for a while. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Take these out, let them sit here, and I don't know. They like chicken with each other. That's funny, huh? It's really not that funny, but as long as I can amuse myself. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna take an onion. Pay attention very closely, folks. Take an onion here. And by the way, this is real down-to-earth cooking. You know, I had those little white bowls. Oh, put a tablespoon of this, tablespoon of that. No, we're not doing that. This is real cooking. Here's my garbage bowl. You take the skin off the onion. You could do this. Anybody could do this. Anybody. You take that, garbage goes in. This is a very rustic dish. It comes from the word hunter. Why? I don't know. I didn't make it up. Look at that. I got a half a yellow pepper in there. Putting that in there. The onion. Onion goes in. Use this whole thing. Watch your fingers. Don't let the kids do this part. You just let the kids throw it in for you on Father's Day. I have no kids here. Well, Nico, he's in Disneyland World, whatever it's called. My grandkids, all of them. We have a green pepper here. We're in New York. They'll come visit one sooner or later. We have a little tag there. We're going to get rid of that. See how easy that was? Yeah. Don't watch these stupid videos cooking. Just slice them up. That's all. Look, don't throw away the bottom. Bottom's where all the nutrients are. Nutrients on the bottom. Just like the broccoli. You want stems. Stems are where it's all happening. The stems. Yeah. I might not even use the red. Maybe a half a red. We're going to whack up this yellow one that I had left over from yesterday. I even forgot what I made yesterday. I had to forget my name. I will be 62 in 2.5 months. And I will be taking my Social Security. So we have this going. Yeah, I'll do a half a red. How's that? Do half a red, the rest in there. You see, if it's too much white here, too much pitted, then we'll take it out. If it's not that much, don't really be concerned about it. So we got this going in here. We need, of course, pepper. Get yourself a pepper mill. Don't use pepper out of the, you know, the shaker box thingy. You just don't want that. A pinch of salt. And then what do we gotta get? We gotta get a spoon. You see? That's the other spoon I told you guys about. Gotta get Tina's spoon. Special Tina spoon. This my dog Rusty. We called him Rusty, named him Rusty because he's rusty. He looks like rust. Rust, like you would have. Rust. We'll cook this down a little bit. So anyway, I have some capers. Yep, capers. I have some olives. I have a little rosemary. I have some oregano. I have some chicken stock. Look, I got some beautiful basil here. Put this over there for now. That's gonna cook down a little bit. Look, take your garlic. Don't go crazy. Everybody tells you to go crazy. Pound this and pound that. I will tell you what to do though. You will have to smash this. It's very easy. My friend Fredo one day he was cooking for a whole crew of people there across the street. He's a snowbird. He left. Well, we call them snowbirds down here because see this one's skin on him. Because snowbirds, they have 2 houses, 3, 6, I don't know how many. I have 1 house. And they go back when it gets hot, like today, 103. And you see, we smashed the garlic like that. Should I say like so? See? Paper comes right off. If you want to take this little tip off, you can take that off too. My friend watched a video last night. Marsha, she goes, "Oh, your hands got so close. Watch out." But she don't cook. She said she cooks chicken franchise. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I know Les, he don't cook. Les, I call him Les. Really not. He looks like Les Gold, that guy who sells the porn store. So we got some garlic. We got the peppers, the onions. They're cooking in there. Okay. Moving right along here. We'll stir this up. Golf got delayed today. It's raining and you'll believe a story? This is Oakmont by Pittsburgh. It's 81 there. In Philadelphia, it's 62. Imagine. Yeah. No one listened to Al Gore. Not that I was into politics, but I remember him saying climate change. Horrible. Guess what? He was right. Nobody listened to him. So, I forgot one thing. And this is a real show, so you're going to have to stick around. And I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Hey, so what we're going to do here. See this? They're a little pricey. They're like $4 a can. But they are great. Gravy sauce. I like them in pizza. Raw. 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 I got a good friend of mine in New York. Use this. raw. Not raw, just the tomatoes. We'll pour this in here, just like so. Cento. Got these on Amazon. Six pack, 24 bucks. Like this, I'm gonna put this in the bucket. Now what I'm gonna do is, I could take out a blender, or I could crush them with my hands in another bowl. But I'm not gonna do that for this dish because I want it to be, like I said, rustic. What we're gonna do is, see that? Look. These are really from right out of the ground, isn't it? If I'm making a gravy, or you want to call it a sauce on a Sunday, with sausage, meatballs, and just because I speak like this, I'm not cooking Italian just meals. And I cook everything. You saw Philly cheesesteaks. I cook all sorts of stuff. Next week I'm going to do a little Asian. See, we're just going to squish them up. Look how nice they squish. You know, tomatoes don't do this. Well, like I said, if I'm doing a leave this out for my bones. If I'm doing a the Sunday gravy, I'll put 2 of those and maybe 2 Stevearino or something. I like Stevearino. Stevearino is pretty good. So look at this. Some capers. Then the main star is coming. The main event is coming. Not this. This. Olives. Chicken Cacciatore. I've seen them without. But there ain't no without. Ready? Everybody in the pot. Except for this one. I'm gonna have that one. Like I said, this is a real cooking show. Okay? No more need. This, you don't need sugar. This, there's no acid in it. No acid reflux. So, gotta spend a couple bucks on it. Like I said, not all the time. You don't have to. If you don't have it, you can get Walmart sauce. Look, a little pinch. That's it. Of oregano. Might get the cap on, or I'll just take it forward. A little bit. And I'll chop this up. Very, very little. Oh, as soon as I open this up, not on. Take it off. I'm gonna chop some of this up. A little rosemary. No, that was in a package. My neighbor, he has some really fresh stuff. This from my garden, right behind me, right in front of me. Let's chop this up. You don't want like big giant stuff, but then again it's gonna cook down. Just a little bit, a little rosemary in here. Okay? Then a pinch, a little pinch of salt, a little pepper. And we're gonna put a little chicken broth. Ready? We're making chicken cacciatore. A little chicken broth. Right in there. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna nestle. You like that word, right? We're gonna nestle these beautiful, look at these. We'll nestle these beautiful chicken thighs right back down in the sauce. And we're gonna let them cook for about 30 minutes. A good 30 minutes. Mix it up a little bit. I'm not gonna keep you here for 30 minutes, of course not. I'm just showing you what to do. That's it. Mix it up a little bit. And then you cook it. Cook it down nice. So anyway, that's it. In 30 minutes, you'll see what's going on. So look what I got. Look at this. You know what this is? This is nothing short of deliciousness. So you see, I saved the can. So what I'm going to do is, I did the majority of them. See this one here? I take the skin off. The skin is for the juices. It keeps it moist, the chicken, and it's good in the sauce. And the reason why I use chicken thighs with bones is for the flavor. You may have to watch eating it. See, skin off. And now watch. I'm going to take out the bone. You don't want nobody to get hurt. Spin out the bone there a little bit. So just for a recap, fried chicken, peppers, onions, garlic, capers, olives, San Marzano. If you don't have San Marzano, use whatever you want to use. Don't matter to me. My wife got me 6 cans yesterday. It's a good girl. For Father's Day, that was my gift. San Marzano tomatoes. It's alright, it's all good to me. I don't care. I'm gonna have her over here in a few minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna get rid of this. And plucked that out of my garden today. And look. So you take this, look, it's falling off, it fell off the bone. Off the bone. It's totally out of control. It's out of control. Half an hour, 45 minutes you leave it on after you cook the chicken. Look at this, folks. Look at that. Oh, it's so heavy I can't even pick it up. Next week I'm gonna have a whole new design. I'm gonna have the big stove out here, umbrella over. I want you guys to just stick around, subscribe. Actually, when I'm done with this video, I got a couple of people I need to talk to, and they want me to do this and that, home watch and tools and stuff. And guess what? They don't watch and subscribe, they're gonna get all beat up. So anyway, that. Need a spoon. Okay? Look at this. I got a nice bowl of rice. I like the rice. It's a nice texture, creamy texture. You could do this with pasta, ditalini. You cut up some ziti, spaghetti. You could do this any way you want. You could do it with polenta. Polenta is a good idea. I've done it many times with polenta. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna put a nice spoonful right here. Oh boy. Oh. Come on. Some olives. Look at that, the olives. I mean, it depends. If you're cooking for your family, or you're cooking for company, then I would make sure it's all clean stuff. Like if you're having like somebody important over, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna dress it. Parmigiano, the king of cheeses. I'm gonna make it rain here. Rain. Like we had before. We have some later, because it's Naples, the lightning capital of the world. And what I have here is a little basil. Rip it. Yes, you've seen me cut it before, but you know what? I'm ducking in and out of the raindrops here today. I got my wife standing by. She's like drooling. You know, like I was like, okay, take it easy. It's like, no, I want to eat now. All right, Wanda, you ready? You're up.
My name's not Wunda.
Wanda,
I'm ready.
my beautiful wife, Wanda.
Hi. I'm gonna mess it up.
You do what you want to do.
Yummy. Rusty's right underneath me, my dog. Oh my God. This is out of control.
No, tell the truth. Yeah, it's out of
No,
control.
I
Stevearino.
really need it. Oh, I need a knife though. Wait, let me pick it out.
All right, I'll get you a knife later.
I know.
Just taste the sauce, the
I know.
rice.
San Marzano
San Marzano.
is the best. I'm Italian. My mom, God bless her, upstairs, and my dad. Napolitan and Sicilian. Mmm.
Good. Perfect, right? Fist bump. I got a fist bump for Father's Day.
Excellent. Oh, let me have an olive.
All right, have a nice olive. Like she don't know, like I don't feed her. Like I don't feed her or something.
Delicious.
Delicioso.
Mm-hmm.
So listen, folks.
Excellent.
If you want to make this
Rusty, no.
delicious dish or
My
any
dog
of
wants
the
some.
dishes, please subscribe to my channel. Happy Father's Day. Stay safe, and most of all, be kind and to your neighbors and whoever. Like I said, we see a lot of stupid things going on in the world. But thank you for watching. Take care.